At Planet Computers, we are passionate about typing, writing, being productive, creating on the go. Since the introduction of touchscreen mobile phones and tablets, we feel that it is very difficult to type on these types of devices. We decided to reinvent the palm-sized keyboard mobile device that will benefit many who miss using the keyboard on the move. From bloggers and creatives that need to constantly write, professionals who need to read and write email, create and edit documents and spreadsheets.
Hi, I'm Martin Riddyford. I'm a founder of Therefore, which is a London-based design consultancy. And we, in the past, have made a reputation from designing a lot of handheld electronic equipment, including Psion PDAs in the 90s. PDAs are personal digital assistants. Bizarrely, they've sort of dropped out of fashion. We have always been strong proponents for this kind of device. We feel it's time to bring it to the market again, because so many people, they say, why isn't there a product like this now?
Planet Computers introduces the Gemini, a modern clamshell-based mobile device with a palm-sized keyboard fully integrated into the device. Its sleek metal clamshell design both protects the device and beautifully tucks away the palm-sized QWERTY keyboard and screen when closed. It fits into a pocket, roughly the same as today's mobile phone. When open, the innovative clamshell also acts as a support of the device. The ultra-wide 5.7-inch high-res touchscreen provides ample space for creating on the go. The full tactile keyboard is recognized as the world's smallest keyboard for finger touch typing. Gemini has a powerful 10-core processor, a graphics co-processor, and 64 gigabytes of storage. It is fully equipped with 4G, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling both data communications and mobile phone calls. It is designed to run the latest Android OS and all your favourite apps, as well as Linux with a dual boot option, all below 400 grams of weight. The double-sized battery provides 2 weeks standby and 12 hours talk time. Gemini allows you to work in restricted spaces comfortably, on planes, on trains, in coffee bars. You can also hold the device and use it with ease whilst in the car, standing up, or on the bus.
I hope you're interested in what we're trying to do. We think it's going to be a great device. Thanks for watching.
Please support us on Indiegogo.
So all of us own a few phone accessories, right? And some of them can actually do some really impressive things. But right now, if I asked you to get one, you'd probably say, I don't have it with me. So most of the time, you end up leaning your phone against some random object instead of actually using that expensive tripod that you left at home. So because there weren't any real solutions, we made our own. And back in 2013, we launched our first Kickstarter campaign for the Pocket Tripod, a fully adjustable stand for your iPhone that holds your device in both portrait and landscape without covering the screen. Best part is that it transforms into the size of a couple of credit cards and hides away in any wallet or purse until you need it again. People loved it. We raised more than our funding goal by almost double. And even Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, the Woz, said, "Why didn't someone do this before? What a great idea that I wish I'd thought of." I put one of them in my backpack, which is always with me. But then a few of our very clever backers realized something that we missed and told us, "I've got a case on my phone. I'm not going to take it off every time. That's just too much work." And someone else said, "So, what? You guys some kind of Apple fanboys? You know some people rock Android, right?" And that got us thinking. You can't make a pocket tripod for every phone and case model out there. There's at least 1 million different combinations. Who knows? So as soon as we shipped all the rewards to our 2,500 backers, we started working on a universal pocket tripod instead of limiting it to only bare iPhones. For months, we studied case designs, got feedback from our backers, and tested ideas. Once we had a universal opening shape, we made it in a range of sizes so that it fits as many case and phone combinations as possible. This is the new universal pocket tripod. Does it work with the Apple silicone case? Perfectly. How about the Galaxy Note? Yep, works fantastic in landscape and halfway in portrait. Does it work with every case? Almost, unless it's gigantic. We've also created this guide that lets you know exactly what pocket tripod you need just by knowing what case and device combination you have. Okay, but what if I like it bare, but also sometimes with protection? Do I need 2 pocket tripods? Nope, because whenever you swap your case or your phone, you can also get the adapters to match their new size. You're good to go. The pocket tripod's been used and tested for the past 2 years by thousands of people worldwide. They use it as their primary tripod every day to take amazing time lapses, for making video calls, and even to create light paintings. We've made the pocket tripod with the highest standards of engineering, materials, and manufacturing. They say the best camera is the one that's with you, and the same is true when it comes to tripods. The pocket tripod is now a proven product, and with your help, we want to make it one of the most practical smartphone accessories for as many people as we can. We hope you join us.
That's the sound of your phone connecting to a charger. It's the sound of relief, knowing you are still connected to the world. Connecting and disconnecting your phone from a charger should be a simple, seamless task, but it isn't. We've all been there, frustrated at our cables for any number of reasons. Despite cable tips becoming smaller, they haven't evolved to become any easier to connect, until now. Presenting the future of USB cables, ASAP Connect. Featuring rare earth neodymium magnets with 18-karat gold plating, ASAP Connect will change the way you interact with your USB devices forever. Featuring the world's first reversible cable on both the phone end and charger end. It works by inserting the tip to the phone, and the cable magnetizes onto the tip instantly, meaning you can effortlessly connect when you only have one hand free, or in a hurry to head out, or even in the dark. You no longer have to worry about your devices getting damaged. ASAP Connect even helps you retrieve your phone from hard-to-reach places. We've designed 2 tips, one for micro USB devices, such as Android phones, mini cameras and speakers. The other is for Apple products. We've removed the weakness of your traditional Apple Lightning connector tip, which snaps off easily by combining the tip and base into one piece. We call this the Alpha Connector. One of the engineering hurdles in designing ASAP Connect was its compact size. By condensing the technology down to the size of a fingertip, we're able to make sure that it's compatible with all phone cases. In creating a new standard for USB cables, we have performed the most stringent quality control tests, combined with superior materials to really challenge the user's expectations of what a state-of-the-art USB cable should be. We've spent the past 2 years working closely with one of the world's largest USB cable manufacturers. We're a team of disruptors from Sydney to LA who believe that users should be the creators of products, not large corporations seeking profit over practicality. We've created the final prototypes and delivered samples to dozens of major tech publications worldwide. Through your help, combined with the magic of Indiegogo, we hope to bring ASAP Connect to life and unleash the future of USB cables today.